Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to make a small shoulder bag. The link for the pattern is in the description under the video. To make this bag you will need a canvas fabric for the outside, a lightweight fabric for the lining, and a 26 cm long zipper. Print and cut the pattern pieces. Fold the fabric in half and pin the pattern pieces as shown on the cut-in layout. Do the same with the lining. Cut out the fabric pieces. Before removing the paper pattern pieces from the fabric, transfer the pattern important markings to the fabric pieces. Place one of the lining faces on carbon paper, then place the pattern on top and trace the pocket placement. Fold the pocket in half, right sides together. Stitch all around, leaving an 8 cm opening to flip the pocket. The seam allowance is 1 cm. Don't stitch the folded part. Clip the corners and flip the pocket over. Press the pocket. Top stitch the top of the pocket at 2 mm from the edge. Place the pocket in the pre-marked position on the lining. Stitch the 3 sides of the pocket 5 mm from the edge. Place one end of the zipper between a tab and its lining, right sides together. Do the same with the second end. And stitch 1 cm from the edge. Flip the tabs to the right side and top stitch all around 2 mm from the edge. Mark the centers of the zipper. Place the zipper on the top of the outside of the bag face, right sides together. And then place the lining on the face, right sides together, well in the middle. Stitch 1 cm from the edge. Do exactly the same with the second side of the zipper and the second face of the bag. Clip the rounded edges of the top of the bag. Fold the bag outside to outside and lining to lining. Open the zipper. Place one edge of the outer perimeter on the edge of the outer face, right sides together, matching the markings. Pin the second edge to the second face of the bag, right sides together, matching the markings. Stitch each side 1 cm from the edge. Place one edge of the perimeter lining over the edge of the face lining, right sides together, matching the markings. Pin the second edge of the perimeter lining to the second face of the bag, right sides together, matching the markings. Stitch each side 1 cm from the edge, leaving a 12 cm opening on one of the edges to flip the bag over. Clip the rounded edges of the bag. Flip the bag over through the lining opening. Pin and stitch the lining opening. Hand the strap 1 cm on either side. Fold the strap in half lengthwise Sew at 5 mm from the edge. Slide one side of the strap through one of the opening at the end of the bag right side together. Then slide the second side through the opening at the second end of the bag. Stitch both ends 1 cm from the edge. Flip the bag right side out, pulling on the strap. If your fabric is thick, clip the corners beforehand. Fold the ribbon over 1 cm on either side of its length. Then fold it in half lengthwise. Hem both ends at 1 cm. Stitch the ribbon 5 mm from the edge. Do the same with the second ribbon. Form a knot from each ribbon, then place the knots in the middle of the bag where the strap joins the bag. Secure the knots by hand. Your bag is ready. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to put them in the comments or to message me on my social media. All the links are in the description under the video.